Okay, so here being interviewed is Jeff Rogers, and he is the president of the Waukesha Blazers, which was the little league team that little Jackson Sparks was on, and he was walking with that group during the incident. Little Jackson lost his life that day, among five other people, but as we know, over 70 were injured physically. Mr. Rogers also had two of his children that were struck by the vehicle. And this is the way that Darrell questions him, and you'll see that towards the end of this clip. But before that, Leslie Basie was questioning him about what he saw that day. They played some video clips in the court, and Mr. Rogers was going through and pointing out what he, where he was, what he was doing during the times of the videos. And of course, the prosecution was zooming in on the fact that, little Jackson was there and what Mr. Rogers saw in regards to little Jackson. So it was a very sad moment in the courtroom. Once again, we see this fake remorse put out by Brooks. It's not funny. The situation is not funny. But it's just funny how, once again, we have a situation where a loss of life has been discussed, and the judge immediately goes to a break after the questioning by the prosecution because it was a sad moment. It was intense for everyone in the courtroom. And I think she had a lot of thought towards, the witnesses and the people that were in, the victims and that were in the courtroom at the time. However, as usual, Brooks tries to take this woe is me, I'm the victim viewpoint, and this is how he reacts.
It was played until the end at 27 seconds. Does that accurately depict the path of the vehicle as it was striking the Blazers members?
Yes.
Nothing further, thank you.
All right, I'm going to take a mid-morning break at this point, about 15 to 20 minutes. All rise for the jury, please. All right, thank you, everyone. We are in recess. Sir, you may step down as well. I'll be back in 20 minutes.
PDF and immediately upload it. Okay. So then they can show it from there. He's also not very no, that was like more. Yeah. Right, I'm gonna guess.
All right, we will go back on. The record appearances are as they were before. I will have the jury brought out, and we'll continue with the questioning of this witness.
Judicial determination you made about the jurisdiction?
I thought I was very clear, sir.
So will proof be validated?
Your request is denied.
On what legal basis, Your Honor?
The record stands, sir.
Is that a judicial determination?
My ruling was put on the record earlier, sir.
So that is the judicial determination.
All rise.
Come here for a sec.
Yeah.
All right. Thank you, everyone. Please be seated. Mr. Brooks, you may start your questioning of this witness then.
Just a second, I'm sorry about that. I just needed a second. I apologize to the witnesses. A little emotional right now for me, so I apologize to the court as well for the delay. Can you recall what time you arrived at the? What I'm asking is, usually if there's an injury, you will file a complaint. To the best of your recollection, did you file any complaint from the incident?
I wouldn't consider it a complaint. I filed some paperwork saying that my children were injured, yes.
Do you recall if that was a complaint?
I don't know.
Was it a claim in any sort of way?
Yes.
Do you recall what the claim was?
It was with the Victim Assistance Program.
And what does that consist of? What are their resources in pursuant to the complaint that you filed, or claim that you filed, right?
Can you rephrase?
What would be their assistance and to help you with your claim that you were filing?
It was to help with any medical bills that arose out of this situation.
So it would be fair to say that you had a financial interest in this incident?
Objection.
Grounds.
Mischaracterizes the testimony.
Grounds. I believe it's relevant to the fact that bills were needed to be paid. It's relevant.
Overruled. He may answer.
I was looking to get the medical bills covered, yes.
So would that be fair to say that you had a financial interest?
I would say sitting here today, I didn't care if it got approved or not. I was trying to get assistance for the medical bills.
So if it had gotten approved, would you have been able to do it yourself, or would you have seek to do it yourself?
Objection's relevance.
Grounds.
Sustaining the question is vague.
Would you have seeking? Would you have paid the medical bills yourself,
Yes.
regardless to price?
I generally pay my bills.
So as you can see, as his questioning went on, his tone completely changed. And once again, he tried to make a parent whom he hurt their child, he's trying to make this parent look bad or sound not credible in court. And it is infuriating, and I apologize if it made you guys mad that I put that together. But this is the type of stuff that he does that we have to pay attention to. But this is exactly his game plan. This is exactly how he as a narcissist works. And it just blew my mind. It I just wanted to clip that little piece out and play it for you guys because it made me so angry. God bless Jeff Rogers for the work that he does with the children. He's a volunteer for a organization that is for children, and he didn't ask for that moment. Uh, he didn't ask to be there. He didn't ask to be up there playing a part in this whole joke of Darrell Brooks's defense, but he had to endure it. And so God bless him for standing his ground. At the end of the day, we all know that the outcome was that his testimony helped put Brooks where he belongs, and possibly him being on the stand and seeing Darrell Brooks's BS during all of it helped the judge come to the decision that yeah, this is just one more reason that this guy needs to have consecutive life sentences and never be let out ever again. So, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you soon.